Oh my God.
Never in my life did I think I'd run for my life from monkey.
Sir, best ride, special price for you.
After an unexpected stomach battle in Varanasi, I finally made it to Agra. My first mission, meet my senior at a guest house. But little did I know, the real battle was yet to come.
You have no idea how much I missed bulgogi.
Just when I thought I was about to enjoy a taste of home, I met my first rooftop bandit.
Wave knife, scare monkey.
Phew. Crisis averted. Or so I thought. Oh no, not again. J'avoue, but worse.
To surviving monkey invasions.
You said hot shower, no hot water, no problem.
Enough!
Please, just one peaceful day.